Look around. The world of venture capital. It's supposed to be this powerhouse of innovation, a place where dreams get money to grow, where game changers get the wings to fly. But what's really going on underneath that shiny surface? The truth hits hard. It's broken. Not in a way you just fix with another meeting or call. Broken in a part of the system that's so deep, so tangled, it's suffocating the very soul of what this world was meant to be. You feel it every day. The pressure to fit in, to play the political games rather than back real breakthroughs. The constant noise of the safe bets, the follow the herd mentality that smothers bold ideas before they've even had a chance to breathe. Investors talking about disruption while investing in more of the same old stuff. It's like watching a race with blindfolds on. Everyone running, but no one really seeing the prize. And it weighs heavy on you. The frustration when a brilliant founder is overlooked because they don't check the usual boxes. The meetings that drag on, but lead nowhere real. The feeling that innovation is boxed into categories, comfortable sectors, and tried and tested formulas that stifle the raw, wild creativity that once ignited this entire ecosystem. The truth is, this brokenness isn't about lack of talent or passion. It's a problem of a system that rewards compliance, not courage. It values the safe route over the scary leap. And guess what? That's killing the future. Because progress doesn't come from the average. It comes from the freaks, the weirdos, the ones who don't play by the rules, those who burn so brightly they can't be ignored. So what's the real pain here? The pain is in the slow death of potential. Every time a fund plays it safe, a visionary is silenced. Every time a founder is asked to conform instead of create, innovation loses a bit more of its edge. The status quo isn't just standing still, it's pushing us all backward while pretending it's forward. But listen, this is not a call to surrender. It's a call to arm yourself with a different kind of courage, real courage. The courage to unlearn everything you've been told about how it works. The courage to look beyond the spreadsheet and the pitch deck and see the raw human behind the vision. The courage to say no to the easy paths that everyone else is chasing, and yes to the hard, messy, uncertain road that might just change everything. Here's the thing. Venture capital can be saved, but not by tweaking what's broken. Not by layering on more process or more rules. It can only be saved by warriors who refuse to bend, to those who see beyond profits to purpose, beyond hype to substance. You want to change this? First, start listening deeply. Not just to the founders who fit your usual mold, but to the ones who don't. To the people building things on the fringe, the ones who are tired of trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Their ideas might scare you. They might not look like the safe bet. But inside that chaos, inside that fear, lies the future. Second, rethink what success really means in this world. It's not just about the size of the check or the next exit. Success is the creation of something that breaks the ground, something that shifts how we live, work, and connect. Look for founders who aren't just building companies, but who are rewriting the rules of the game itself. Third, embrace patience like never before. The rush to scale is killing more good ideas than any failed pitch. Some of the best things need time. Time to find their footing, time to evolve, time to mature. Don't be the investor who pushes fast and then leaves when growth isn't immediate. Be the one who's in it for the long haul, who holds space for transformation, not just transactions. And here's maybe the most overlooked truth. Your power lies not in handing out money, but in offering freedom. Freedom for founders to forge their own paths, freedom to fail spectacularly and learn, freedom from the cage of constant performance metrics and unrealistic expectations. If you want to be part of something bigger, start by giving creators something rarer than cash, space to breathe, to experiment, to become. It's time to break the habits that chain venture capital to yesterday's failures. Stop treating startups like projects to optimize and start seeing them like living revolutions fueled by passion and radical ideas. Tear down the walls of jargon, gatekeeping, and exclusivity, because underneath all that is a human craving to build something that matters. This isn't about being comfortable. It's about being relentless. About waking up every day hungry for change, hungry for truth, hungry for the kind of impact that shakes foundations. It's about fighting the laziness of "this is how it's done" and replacing it with How can we do this better? Remember, the system is designed to protect itself. It'll try to shut down the fire inside you, tell you to quiet your voice, to join the chorus of safe bets. Don't do it. That instinct, that fire, that's your edge. That's the thing that will make you a champion in a broken world. The revolution won't be televised. It won't come with fanfare or easy answers. It will come in boardrooms and at kitchen tables where real conversations happen. It will come when investors stand up and say, I'm done with old rules. I'm here to back the future, no matter how wild, no matter how risky. If you take nothing else from this, take this. Venture capital is not just about money. It's about belief. Belief in people, in ideas, in the crazy notion that one small spark can light up the darkness. It's about breaking free from the suffocating cages of conformity and stepping into the raw power of possibility. So, if you feel that burn inside, the one that says it's time for something different, listen to it. Feed it. Let it guide you to be part of the few who refuse to settle. Be the one who chooses transformation over transaction, essence over noise, courage over ease. Because the future won't be built by those who play it safe. It will be forged by those who dare to be more. The question is, which side will you be on?